Join me in the kitchen for some movement and exercises to help your body feel amazing. First up, if you have any SI joint pain, try opening a cabinet or putting down a low stool or a book to put your foot up on. You can switch sides and do the other side and see which side feels better. If you're fully grossed out by putting your foot on a rolling pin, you can simply just use a very hard ball like a lacrosse ball or a golf ball to roll the bottom of your feet. So give this a try. You want to roll all the way down towards your heel to when you feel your toes start to splay out, and then you know you have released the bottom of your foot, and it's going to feel amazing after all those hours of standing in the kitchen. To get some mid-back relief, you want to place your palms up, elbows on the counter. Think about rounding into it, bending your knees, and you're going to breathe into your mid-back, inhaling into those tight spots. So you're using that inhale to stretch from the inside out. Next up is a mid-back stretch. So bring your arms up, twist them around, palms face each other, reach up toward the ceiling, stretch your head up toward the ceiling as well. This is going to feel great through the back of your shoulders, providing relief. Hold that stretch for 10 to 15 seconds and then switch sides and do the other side. So palms together, twist, reach up toward the ceiling, really getting a good stretch. And I want you to inhale into those tight spots in your mid-back and the back of your shoulders here. Place your elbows on a counter, stick your bottom out, but you're thinking about tucking just a little bit. You don't want to overarch your lower back. You really want to focus on the movement coming from your upper back and right in the middle of those shoulder blades. So you're going for extension in that mid-back area and opening those lats. And this movement feels amazing. Cross your ankle, lean out, holding on, really good grip to that sink, and lean over. So you're getting a side stretch all the way from your foot, all the way up through your hip, through your side, through your lat, obliques, QL. It's just going to feel so good. Go ahead and switch sides, cross, lean out, and stretch over. So you're getting that whole lateral fascial line. So it's just going to feel so good to stretch out that whole line. This one's a bit of movement along with stretching. So first up is a full squat. So come down holding onto that counter, and you're just going to inhale into your back, mid-back, and through your lats. And then I want you to follow it up with a few squats, coming all the way down and back up, thinking about keeping your chest as upright as possible. We're going to be sitting into those glutes, really opening that area. And then after a few squats, go ahead and hold for that full squat again. Should feel great opening up underneath your armpits and through your back. And then don't forget to stretch those fingers. Bring those hands together into a prayer stretch and then flip them down for a little bit of an additional stretch so that you can work out all that hard cooking. I hope you have a lovely holiday season, and thanks for joining me.